Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can disable in-app purchase on iPhone. So if you want to disable the in-app purchase option, here's a quick guide on how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then scroll down to screen time, then from there scroll down a little, then tap on content and privacy restriction. Tap on the content and the privacy restriction. Once you do that, then tap on the iTunes and App Store purchase. So right here, if you find it difficult, maybe you notice that you made a purchase for a particular app, then after the subscription, a couple of apps keep removing your money from your linked credit card or debit card, and you want to disable or turn off the in-app purchase by some couple of applications installed on your phone. Just tap on the in-app purchase, then click on disallow, and that's how you can turn off in-app purchase for iPhone. Find this video helpful? Turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.